Hello, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham. And in this video, I want to go over some tips and some advice for people who are applying for Social Security disability or have SSI claims, some things that you can do to improve your chances of having a successful claim. When you're ready to file for either of these types of benefits, you should consider doing the following things. Get your medical records together yourself. This could help jumpstart your case. While the administration will order all of those things, if you have complete records of the applicable conditions and symptoms and things that you're going to be telling them about, it may help move things along a little quicker. Get ready for your interview. Get a good night's sleep. I know it can be nerve-wracking or intimidating going to this type of interview, but don't be scared because you'll know the answer to every question. Don't be nervous about it. Practice with somebody at home of those types of questions you think may get asked. Figure out what, before you go to these hearings, while you're being treated, if you have certain symptoms such as pain or other type of conditions that really affect you that will help your case, make sure you tell your treating physicians, your doctors, because they need to be in the records to be able to support any claims that you're making. And don't try to hide any of your symptoms, nor should you magnify them. Just be truthful. Always figure out that whatever your symptoms are, whatever your conditions are, when you go to do your application or your interview, make sure you list everything, whether you're doing it online, your application, or you're doing it in person, on the phone. Make sure you've got a list, so maybe write down these things. Make sure they know all of the symptoms that go with the conditions. It also helps if you get a written statement from your doctor explaining how all of these conditions and symptoms affect you. That could be a thing that could push it over the top to help your case when you're trying to show that you're disabled and you don't have the ability to work, or you work on a very limited basis. The last thing is when you're asked questions about your past relevant work, which will go back 15 years, make sure that you give details of the type of work that you did. Don't just give a job title. Try to give some of the responsibilities, the physical demands, the requirements, because those are the type of things that, in comparison to whatever you're going through, could help a claims examiner, the disability examiner, figure out if you meet that definition. If you have questions about this, if you've got things that are on your mind that you want to ask about the process, please give us a call. 205-930-6900 is our office number. Nomberglaw.com is our website. We can be found here on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't care for it, please tell us why. Subscribe to our channel. We put new videos up every week. Thank you.